Hello my creative friends, welcome to Rain Francis Art. My name is Rain. I'm doing this introduction today from inside the house because it's pouring rain and it's really cold outside. So you can probably hear my hound dog Jack snoring in the background. Today I'm sharing a time-lapsed Looney Tunes tutorial of me drawing Granny and Tweety Bird. I decided to do this video today because two of my friends are Granny fans just like I am, Yvie and Baili. I hope that you ladies enjoy this video. The theme for my November 25th art date was stripes, so I decided to draw Granny and Tweety Bird together. Granny is knitting Tweety Bird a nice striped scarf for the winter to keep him warm. If you'd like to follow along this tutorial, in the description below I've left a link of the stencil that I've created that you can download, as well as a list of the supplies that I've used. And if you'd like to join in on the art date, just check out rainfrancisart.com. I host a weekly themed art date every Thursday, and I'd love to see your creations. The voice of Granny was June Foray. June Foray did hundreds and hundreds of voices. Movies, old-time radio, animation, TV shows, cartoons, even video games. She auditioned for the role of Betty Rubble from the Flintstones, and she did one episode, but the producers didn't like her, and they chose Bea Benaderet, who is the voice of Betty Rubble that we know from the TV show today. If you remember the 1960s Christmas specials, How the Grinch Stole Christmas and Frosty the Snowman, June Foray did the voice of Cindy Lou Who in How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and she did the voice of Karen, the little girl who followed Frosty the Snowman around. She just did so many voices. And as we know, Mel Blanc did the voice of Tweety Bird, and whose voice didn't he do? I mean, he was Barney Rubble, he did Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, of course Tweety Bird, Foghorn Leghorn, Yosemite Sam, Porky Pig, Woody Woodpecker. I mean, you can hear his voice everywhere. And people used to say that June Foray was the female version of Mel Blanc, but Mel Blanc said that he was the male version of June Foray. So that was quite a compliment coming from him. I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I love to read them, and I do reply to them. And let me know if you've tried this tutorial. I want to see what you've done. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to make a video for you. So without further ado, here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!